So organizations today face a couple of challenges. How do they ensure that you have the correct levels of operational efficiency and accuracy? Normally, you tend to access it via reports. It's a retrospective view as to how that operation performed over that time. Of course, what you lack then at that stage is the ability to, during that process, to intersect and provide an actionable insight to the operator to ensure that he is across the details that he needs to in order to effect a change. Importantly, Business Insights is all about creating a platform where you as an organization can ensure that you have created the sufficient visibility to the people that are responsible for executing that operation and creating that behavioral change. With this, you are able to create as many improvement programs as you wish. So the first benefit is really to the operational manager. Consider their perspective. What they are wanting to do is to ensure that they are providing the correct KPIs that will in turn translate to the correct behavior by the operators utilizing the system. The second benefit is to the operator themselves. This provides them with a guide and provides them with the visibility exactly as to how they are performing within the process, what they should do and what insights they should have that they can action immediately. So the main benefit of Business Insights to an organization is the accelerated turnaround time, in other words, the time to value. The second benefit is you're empowering your workforce. With that comes with the ability that you've provided the transparency, the visibility, exactly how they are being measured and how they are performing within their respective processes. So your improved business performance is your major outcome, but importantly is to providing the actionable insights that translates to an improved decision-making capability throughout your complete organization. With SYSPRO's Business Insights, you are now able to create these actionable insights, KPIs, these views as to the performance at any stage, at any step within a process throughout the complete application.